I'm Lieutenant Shankar Das. My aim of joining the executive program in management was to understand how the industry functions. Basically, this is a program designed for executives who have put in at least 10 to 15 years in their particular field of work. So after putting in 19 years of service in Army as an engineer, my aim was to, once I transition to the corporate world, I should understand what are the requirements from a leader, from a manager. And this program, I'm sure, gives me that edge and exposure on the right lines and on the right track, wherein I can see a career transition into corporate world, into various roles like a project manager or operations manager, or even as an HR executive. So I think hopefully I'll do my best to learn the most, and XLRI, as its hallmark says, for the greater good. I hope it will be good for my career too. Thank you.